Today I will be doing an unboxing on the Samsung Galaxy A05s. This is my grandma's new phone, guys, and she was kind enough to lend me this phone for 2 days. So please feel free to subscribe to the channel so I can actually tell her phone got me more subscribers. Without further ado, guys, let's get into the unboxing of this phone. We have the A05s Box over here, so before we get into the unboxing, let's check out this box first. As you guys can see, it looks pretty stylish. There is a little bit of a glow in the box as well. It is a really slim box, so I'm guessing they didn't include a charger brick and as well not any headphones, because that is the new modern iPhone and Samsung policy for some reason. But the box actually feels really heavy, so I feel like this phone is going to be pretty good quality. I can finally get into the unboxing of the phone, and I have to say I'm really excited. It's been a long time since I've unboxed a Galaxy A device. If you guys open up the box, you will see not the phone but a box instead. So it has the Samsung logo in it, and I believe the charge cable is here as well as the warranty and instructions. Let's open the box and find out. And of course there is the charge cable. And you only get one charge cable, so no charging brick, guys, unfortunately, and no earphones as well. But it's a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, so if you're upgrading from a USB-A to a USB Type-C device, yeah, you're not in luck. You're gonna have to get a new charger brick for this cable, or you're gonna have to use your old charger because this cable won't work with the old chargers with USB Type-A. But without further ado, as you guys can see, this is how the phone looks. Right out of the box, I can already tell this device is incredible for the price range. We're going to remove it out of the box to see what else is included, and of course, it's the SIM ejector tool. You're gonna need this for this device, even though it's a budget phone. We're going to take this phone and we are going to have a look at it. It's a pretty thin phone and it looks like a premium device for this price range. It has 3 cameras, it even has a fingerprint, guys, even a Infinity U display with a triple camera. And yeah, that's some pretty cool specs. It has a really stylish back, slim bezels. I can't really tell this phone is a budget device, guys. Back a few years back, this would have been a premium device. Let's quickly remove the plastic, so you guys better enjoy the cinematic scene. There you go. As you guys can see, the phone screen is also really thin and it looks really stylish. I can't believe this phone actually looks so good. Wow, I'm really impressed with this device, guys. Just off the looks of this phone, I would definitely recommend getting it, but we still need to test out a lot of things on this phone first. Oh, and you have a 3.5mm headphone jack. That is really rare in 2024, almost like diamonds these days. But let's get into the rest of the video. Of course, I'm not gonna leave you guys without a test on this phone first, like a review. It's not gonna be a detailed review, unfortunately, because I need my grandma to give me feedback on this device, and I need to make a 1-month review video when we're gonna do the gaming test and the speed test on this device. I just want her to have the phone for a month so we can test it out after that, but I will give you guys a quick camera test, video test, and maybe a few other things. This is the video and mic test of the A05s. As you guys can see, the video lighting isn't that good because this phone is better in daytime. It's not really good in low light conditions. But the mic on this phone, on the other hand, is really good. It almost sounds as good as my streaming mic, which I don't know how that's even possible, and it also clears out background noise better than my Samsung S22. Could be I need to update my phone, but as of now this mic almost sounds better than my flagship device. So yeah. So that was basically the mic test. As you guys clearly heard, it was pretty good. It's just low light videos, not recommended of course for this camera, but yeah, this is a few macro shots as you guys can see, and I also took a camera focus test, so you guys can see this camera is pretty good at autofocus. We also took some normal pictures, and we did take a 50 megapixel picture because this camera is 50 megapixels. Now I don't know if it's true 50 megapixels like flagship devices, because for some reason 12 megapixels on flagship devices looks better than 50 megapixels here, but it is still pretty good, guys. I would recommend getting this phone. Like, it's for my grandma at the end of the day, and it's just for her to kind of just watch Netflix, to talk to her friends on the phone, to watch YouTube maybe. And that's basically it, guys. She's not gonna game with the phone. She's not really gonna use the camera for any serious things. So this phone is perfect for her. And honestly, guys, if you're just looking for a budget device that you're gonna use every day, this phone is pretty good, guys. Like, it's not slow or anything. It is pretty fast. Like, you're not gonna lag or anything like that while scrolling on your phone, because we all know how annoying that can be when budget phones lag when you just want to open a simple app. But yeah, that's basically the conclusion of this video. I would recommend this phone so far, but we will do a detailed review in a month from now, so stay tuned for that, guys. Also, if you guys want to go check out this video up here of my webcam unboxing, this is basically a really good camera. If you want to make videos and you only have a phone like this, you can use this webcam to kind of film your videos from your PC perspective. So make sure to go check that video out. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.